What's up, everyone? I am Shafayat from Unlocktherapy. Welcome back to the channel. If you've got an old iPhone 6 lying around and you're looking to unlock it so you can use it with any carrier or in any country, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to follow to make that happen. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check if it's already unlocked. First things first, let's check if your iPhone 6 is already unlocked. Just pop in a SIM card from a different carrier. If your phone works perfectly with the new SIM, congrats, you're already unlocked. If not, no worries, we've got you covered. Step 2. Next up, you'll need to get in touch with your carrier. But hold up, make sure your iPhone is eligible. That means it needs to be fully paid off, and it can't be reported as lost or stolen. Once you're good there, just call up your carrier's customer support or hop on their website and request an unlock. You might need your iPhone's IMEI number, so let's grab that next. Step 3. Find the IMEI number. To find your IMEI number, just head to Settings, General, About on your iPhone, then scroll down until you see it. Easy as that. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Now, after you've requested the unlock, your carrier will process it. This can take a few days, so be patient. They'll notify you once it's done. Step 5. Use iTunes to complete the unlock. Once you get that confirmation, it's time to finish the process using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer, back it up, and then restore it. This step might be required to finalize the unlock. Once that's done, set up your iPhone again, and if all went well, you'll see a message saying it's unlocked. Boom, you're free. Step 6. Consider a third-party service. If for some reason your carrier can't unlock it, you might need to look into a third-party service. Just be careful and make sure you're using a reputable one. There are a lot of scams out there. Step 7. Travel or switch carriers. Finally, once your iPhone is unlocked, you're free to use it with any carrier, anywhere in the world. Just pop in a new SIM card and you're good to go. A couple of important things to remember. Always back up your data before you start, and be cautious of scams, especially with free unlocking offers. And don't worry, unlocking your iPhone won't affect your software updates. Follow these steps, and you'll have your iPhone 6 unlocked in no time. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech savvy.